Hello, this is Peter. Welcome back to our channel. In this video we will talk about online courses that can help you to earn money. Certainly. Here's a list of 20 online courses that can help you acquire skills to earn money. Number 1. Digital marketing. Learn the ins and outs of online advertising, SEO, and social media marketing. Number 2. Freelancing skills. Courses on platforms like Upwork and Freelancer can teach you how to succeed as a freelancer. Number 3. Web development. Master HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to become a web developer. Number 4. Graphic design. Learn Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator for graphic design projects. Number 5. Content writing. Enhance your writing skills for blogging, copywriting, or content marketing. Number 6. Data analysis. Excel in data analytics with courses in Python, R, or SQL. Number 7. E-commerce. Understand how to set up and run an online store on platforms like Shopify. Number 8. Stock trading. Gain insights into the world of stock trading and investment. Number 9. Photography. Improve your photography skills and possibly sell your photos online. Number 10. Social media management. Learn to manage social media accounts for businesses. Number 11. Affiliate marketing. Understand how to earn through affiliate marketing programs. Number 12. Online course creation. Create and sell your online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Number 13. App development. Develop mobile apps for iOS or Android. Number 14. Video editing. Master video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Number 15. SEO optimization. Become an expert in search engine optimization techniques. Number 16. Personal finance. Learn how to manage your finances effectively and invest wisely. Number 17. Copywriting. Develop persuasive writing skills for sales and marketing. Number 18. Virtual assistants. Train to become a virtual assistant for businesses and entrepreneurs. Number 19. Blockchain and cryptocurrency. Understand the world of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. Number 20. Online coaching. If you have expertise in a particular field, offer coaching or consulting services online. Remember that success in earning money often depends on not only acquiring these skills but also marketing yourself effectively and networking within your chosen field. Good luck.